Welcome to all. My name is Rashri. Today we are going to see the buses in IoT. Myself from AI&DS department, Karunanidhi Institute of Technology. So first we are going to see about what is the buses. In IoT, buzzer is an audible output component that provides sound feedback such as alarm alert by giving them a beep sound. It is a digital device. When one in this buzzer, there are two legs. One leg is being the positive, the another one is the negative. So it requires a DC power supply to produce the sound. Buzzer is an audio signaling device that provides bustling or beeping sound to alert or indicate an event. Buzzers are commonly used in the embedded system or IoT devices. In IoT device application, in security system application or other personal devices to give user intimation or immediate messages or system warming or system status updates are for providing we can use the buzzers. So next is how it works. A buzzer is an output device that generates the sounds. When voltage supplied to the buzzer, it vibrate or creating the sound. It can the sound be a constant beep sound or simple alarm or melody sound or different frequency. We can control with the different frequencies. So next is the type of the buzzers. There are two types of the buzzers. One is an active buzzer, next one is a passive buzzer. First one is an active buzzers. Active buzzers has an internal oscillator. It produces sound when power is supplied directly. It uses only the DC voltage. In active buzzer, we can use easily to use in the microcontroller. We can connect with the easy microcontroller. Um, Example of the active buzzer is alarm sound when a door opens. Next buzzer is a passive buzzer. Passive buzzer, these buzzers do not have a built-in oscillator. They require external oscillating frequency signal. So to produce the sound, we can use the different ranges of sounds and melodies here in these passive buzzers. An example for the passive buzzer is playing melodies notification to the users in the IoT applications. In IoT, buzzers are commonly used to provide audible alerts or feedback for the security system. Example, unauthorized access like that. In home appliance, we can timer completions like that we are using in the IoT applications, medical devices and access control system and other user interface we can use in this buses. Security and access control. Next one is first one is where we can use in the buses is security and access control. In buses, signal of buses give the unauthorized access or the potential danger, like in home security in the home systems. It can sound beep the sound. So access confirmation. They provide an audible confirmation when user enters the correct code for a smart lock or the access to the secure area. Next in the smart home appliances. Timers. In smart home appliances, IoT application mostly used in the timers and status notification. In smart home kitchen appliances or other IoT devices, buzzers alert user when a set task or cooking time is complete. It creates the buzzer sound to notify the user. So how it can display this, how it can remember the user to for the status notification means buzzers can provide alerts for events like a door being left open or water leaking or cooking time is over, like that it can be give the status notification. Next application is medical and healthcare applications. Here, medical and healthcare application, patient monitoring. Patient monitoring, we can use the buzzers in the particular medical devices. Some critical conditions or some to remind the patients about their medical history to the doctors, buzzer can be beeped, beeping the sounds. Some patients increase, suppose they are having the higher sugar or increasing the pressure, like that it can immediately send the sounds or alarms to the particular nurse station or the doctors. Next is the educational and entertainment in applications. So interact we can use the interactive learning in educational smart devices. Buzzers provide the feedback for the correct answers or signals to start the activities, like that we can use in the buzzers here. The next one is the gaming. Buzzers can engage the user experience in connecting gaming consoles by signaling specific game events. Next one is how we can interfacing this buzzers in the IoT system with the help of the microcontrollers. Buzzers can or commonly interface with the microcontroller like Arduino or Raspberry Pi. We can control for the we can connect for controlling the activation or sound generation, like that we can use the buses in the IoT systems. So how output can be generated from the buses means it giving the sounds, simple sounds to generating from the it can generate it with the help of the microcontroller and it display via the digital output pin. Next it can be it will be connected with the pulse width modulation for creating more sound complex generation or different type of sounds melodies we can achieve with the help of the PWM. So that's all we can see in this. How in this topic we can cover buses and types of the buzzer, what are the application we are using in the buses, and how it will be interact controlled with them, interfacing with an IoT device. We can see that. Thank you.